Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So I have a special request from viewers that they want to see how I adjust the watch band. So they want to see this last one. This is the rose gold. So this is the 22 millimeter in width. So if you have any standard size watch as long as it's 22 millimeter, this watch band will fit your watch, either a standard size watch or a smartwatch. Okay. As you see, this one is it says Samsung Gear S3. This is all the one that I have resized already: the black, the gold, and then the silver one, the one that I'm currently wearing. So let's go ahead and get this started. And they also come with 3 of the quick release pin, which is good in case you misplace it or you lost them. I also have this one, the magnetic one, but I didn't really like it. This is look more like for a feminine or female or for women. Okay, but when I tried them on, it was too big. Maybe because my wrist size is too small, or I'm too skinny. So this is stainless steel. It's pretty flexible. So let's go ahead and concentrate on this rose gold. If I could try to open this up. Hopefully I'm not going to struggle with this. There you go. So this one wraps up pretty nicely. It is they wrap up the 3 section. I should have opened it when I first purchased. This is look like a 2-tone. And the finish on this is not too great. So now if I complain, the seller probably think I wear them already. So anyway, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna pop this thing open. So I figured it was brand new, so I didn't have to check on the quality control. So I guess the quality control is so-so, but on the watch band looks pretty clean. So there's some flaws over here, and then here there's like 2 different color, and right here, unless I use some kind of polish to polish it up, I'm not sure if that's gonna even work or not. So hopefully in the long run, and when I wear this, it's not gonna change color. Now you know why. That's why I don't like to cut my nails. Kind of hard to work with or to peel the plastic when you don't have nails. Oh, maybe it's something wrong with this one. Unless it's still new. Couple press. All right, so you gotta be sure. Let me see. Make sure it is the same. So I don't need to remeasure again. I believe I removed 4 last time. 1, 2, what? So I gotta remove 3 on this side. So you see the arrow is pointed this way. That means you gotta use this tool to push it out from this side, okay? But I'm not gonna put this line down like that, or it's gonna scratch the top. So I'm gonna put it this way. I'm gonna open it up, and then I'll be push it out from this side. Make sure I lay it down. You want to insert slowly. Make sure the pin is not pushing on the side of the hole. And then that's it. And then be sure when you pull out the pin, you see there's a little groove over there. Okay, and then you just pull it out. Make sure you position the same direction, so you don't want to get mixed up when you try to put it in. So I need to push out from here because there are 3 links. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So take this out and then connect the links back. There you go. And then just push in with my, there you go. Make sure the pin is not pointed out and it is flush. So that's done on one side. So it looks the same. And then right here I need to remove how many? As you can see, the rose pink color is kind of different. Oh my god. Hold on, there's something wrong. There's no gap. How am I going to put it in? For the push pin. Uh-oh. So this one might be for the old traditional watch. Well, unfortunately I cannot put this in because it's supposed to have that gap for the push pin to go in, or the quick release. Great. Now if I'm going to file a dispute, how I'm going to do it now? I waited too long. Well, I need to snap a picture of it because this is the only problem that I have. compared to all the watch band that I did. See how the gap right there, the cut opening for you to push down the pin. Well, I should have made this video a long time ago. Anyway, I guess this will conclude our videos. It is impossible for me to put this watch band in there. Let me see. Unless I have a different kind of pin. It will fit in there, but there's no quick release, so I cannot put into the gap. Anyway, I gotta go ahead and then file a case on eBay. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. I try my best, but unfortunately it is impossible for me to do this tutorial for you guys. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out.